Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Jeff from Jeff Vera Tech. I believe that most of you that are using iPhone, and when you want to use your screen recording, you're like, hey, there's no sound. I can only screen record. But I don't know if any of you know about this. Actually, iPhone screen record are able to record sound as well. Okay, I was actually want to record some tips and tricks that want to share with you guys, but I go and Google. Actually, it can. So I was thinking like, oh well, then I can record it on my new iPhone 15 Pro Max rather than going back to my old Samsung A54 to record it. So it'd be very troublesome. Then I got to send it to my iPhone to make it into videos to share with you guys. So actually very simple. Swipe down on the right side to go into control center, and as usual, okay, normally you'll click on the record button at the very bottom here, which is in red now because I'm using it to record. Okay, so just long press, you go into this screen. Rather than straight away record your screen, you're going to this screen to do two things. Okay, first thing is, you can see at the very bottom here, microphone on. Yeah, that's the button you should press once you are in this screen. Press the microphone on. Default it should be off. So once you press it, you'll turn into red. That means the microphone is on. You can use the microphone like right now I'm doing now to record the screen and record the voice as well. Okay, even record some tutorial or some other things to share with your friends. And there's another thing, you can actually save it in your photos, or straight away into Facebook, email, or Instagram Messenger. There's a lot of apps that you can share with. Straight away go into the app. Alright, I hope I solve a lot of iPhone user their so-called like headache about hey, I can just record the screen but I can't record it with sound like all the Android phones they can do. Okay, I am one of the because I just came back to iPhone after 5 years. I've been using Samsung phones and Android. They are having this thing so convenient that once you go into record, it will pop out the so-called like option for you to choose. Record without sound, record with sound, and everything. But yeah, iPhone, sometimes you have to be really like used to it or be an expert so that you know what you are doing. You got long press. I go and Google this thing. Actually, I was going to find an app to do that, but you see, it's just long press. It's built in, but Apple actually makes it so I can say complicated. Apple, change it to something to be more easy, please, for this. Yeah, your function is getting more confusing and more hidden. If you are not a seasoned iPhone user, you wouldn't know. And there's a lot of people complaining about the control center, like the record button now, and all these icons. Yeah, calculator, flashlight, calculator, all this. Yeah, the icon is one look at it, you know about it. But some other icon, like, you wouldn't know what they are for if they are too complicated. Like this one, the one I'm pressing now, the dark mode and the normal mode. Yeah, what is this? Pokemon balls for you to catch monster. If you're not expert, yeah, it's only you can see on top, which is dark mode. And yeah, you see under the dynamic island, you can only see dark mode off, dark mode on. Yeah, it's on top. Please, Apple, just have the so-called like the name of the function at the bottom of the icon, like your apps. Alright, so that new user, they won't be so confused. I am confused as well. I was 10 plus year seasoned iPhone user. I gone for 5 years and come back. I was like, oh, what the hell is this? Alright guys, hope you guys like this video. I will try to do an everyday Apple tips and tricks video every day to share with you guys, you know, iPhone user, so that we can improve every day. And if you guys got any tips and tricks want to share with me, you can you know, DM me on any of my social media. All right, thank you guys. As always, stay safe, stay healthy. All right, I'll see you again. Take care. Bye bye.